Death walks with me. Everyone, gather around.
You should go to penance.
I'm so attracted to you. Call girl's got this.
Don't even say that. Your life force. Welcome back, creatures.
Oh, Lordy.
Evildoers beware!
Your life force is mine.
Go fly a kite!
Retreat before the king.
By the grace of the Lord.
Pitchfork up your asses.
The coon has mastered all forms of water is the strongest element. I heal what ails.
With the wind at my back, I'm invincible!
How come I always feel stronger together?
Go fly a kite!
Prepare for my creature. Water is the strongest element.
This game is a little too violent.
Crap, I didn't expect to be this easily beaten. Ow!
We're all stronger together.
At least heals can
Oh, now you need me.
Water is the strongest element. Stop shooting.
Oh! Ow!
Getting harder to breathe.
Go fly a kite! Call girl's got this.
Retreat before the king.
Pitchfork up your asses. I control the seas.
Praise the
I
Lord!
heal what ails. Water is the strongest
Water
element.
is the strongest
Water is
element.
the strongest element. General Desiree, rule all.
Water is the
Lorraine.
strongest element.
My creature. Everyone, gather around.
By the grace of the
Failure,
Lord.
Professor Chaos. I'm sorry.
Like that,
My hair for my creature. Am I bleeding?
My nose is bleeding.
Ah! Yeah!
with me. Yeah. Just a rare. Better luck next time. There sure are a lot of rares, and you keep getting them. Rare card, cute. Yeah, you probably only deserve a rare. Nice, a rare. That is epic. Rare cards can be really helpful. Epic like Craig's mom's bush. I like rares, don't you? Huh, a rare. Kinda sweet. Epic, like that time I kicked Cal's ass. That's good, now open some more. Whoa, nice rare. Rare bang. Epic, that must feel good. Only a rare? Epics are pretty sweet, am I right?